John 17 verse 6, I made your name known to the people you gave me. They are from this world. They belong to you, and you gave them to me. They did what you told them. They did what you told them. We thank you, Father, for those that have already awakened out of a sleep of a soulish death, and that the light of Christ has already been burning bright in them. Ephesians 5 verse 14. Because light makes everything easy to see, that's why it says, wake up, sleeper, rise from the dead, and Christ will shine on you. Isaiah 26 verse 19. Your dead will live, their corpses will rise. Those who lie dead in the dust will wake up and shout for joy, because your dew is a refreshing dew, and the earth will revive the spirits of the dead.